Alright, new project in the house. Here I have a Kulana Moondog. Found this on the side of the road. Needs a little bit of work. As you can see, it has a flat tire. I did fill it up and it did go down. It has rust all over the place. Paint is all messed up, but that's fine. What I'm thinking I'm gonna do, and by the way, the front one is still holding here. Oh, there goes down the floor. Well, it don't matter. Anyways, like I was saying, what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is do a little rust repair job on this. Get her up and going. You know, getting rid of all this rust. Rust there, rust wherever the chrome is, wherever the steel is, especially here. Fix this. This is not working right. That's why the bike fell over. Handlebars, some rust up there, rust over there on the paint. I don't care about the paint, like I said, I'll touch that up. But stuff like this, I don't want the rust on here. And spokes, get rid of this. And I plan on keeping it and using it as a secondary bike. Wow, guys, all this time you saw all that footage. I don't even know if I'm gonna even upload this. This is where things can go really wrong when you're recording. This camera here has an external mic, so it has a switch on it with a battery, you know. That's how it's operated. It's not connected automatically to the camera. That's what I'm trying to say. But anyways, so I'm over here taking all that apart, getting up to this point, and then I decided to zoom you in a bit. And I noticed the microphone wasn't even on. So, shit. Now it's on. And let's get back into it. Damn. Said a few good things in there, but I guess I was talking to myself. Alright, I'm going to take off this other one here. Alright. I think I got it. Yep. So here's that little piece of wire. Clean that up. What a difference, right? It looks alright. I'll blend that in, make a design on it. You'll never know. You'll think it's part of the bike. Alright, check this out. Very time consuming right now. I started doing these spokes with a wire brush, but man, they just keep slipping, hitting, and going in between here, blah, blah, blah. So I gotta add the good old sandpaper. And it is very, man, it's a challenge. So, here's basically what I've been doing. Alright, I decided to turn on the fan blowout paint. I was touching up here and there on the green. Still got quite a bit to do as far as the rust, like on that neck and chain area and the seat springs and also the seat post, and also back here. So there's that. That's an easy paint now. I'm really curious to see what's in here. Wow, it's a mess in there. Yeah, that's what they did. They used that green stuff. I can see it. I can see it over here. And I think I need to clean that all out. See that? Right here. Here's that green stuff. See that? Right there. Oh yeah, it's definitely green. There it is. Well, here's how the seat post is looking. You can see where it had the rust. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I should spray paint it, leave it alone. she's all set. She's ready for action once again. Nothing too crazy, but I'll go over it real quick. As you can see, I took off the majority of the rust, let's just say. But looking good. I scuffed this out, make it look vintage here as well, match. Rust, rust, rust everywhere we see. It is gone, except for these little fenders in the frame. But other than that, anywhere on the steel, it's gone. New tube on the rear. Got the brakes fixed. Looking pretty decent. Man, the sun is always beaming. Whew. Well guys, thanks for coming in, checking out this quick project. On to the next one we go.